says do not enter to go into there. Just so you know. But you're going to go in there anyways. Because I was nice to you. Yeah. And that's a die for the left, for the right turn lane up there as well. And these people are morons. Red light, run. Yeah, both. Hey, what? Hey, what the hell? Yeah, both. Hey, what? Hey, what the hell? I'm sorry. I just want. Jeez. Everyone's losing their minds, and yes, I know. I just want. You just have to not look away from the fucking train wreck that was going on. Yes, I know. I got honked at.